Hello YouTube, thanks for watching. Edward here. Just in this video I want to talk about how I've been able to consistently earn $1,000 per month, every single month, using LeadsLeap. But I'm actually not promoting LeadsLeap on the front end, I'm actually promoting LeadsLeap on my back end. What does that mean? It basically means that I'm just focused on building my primary businesses or giving out certain value or tips or whatever, and as they come through my funnel, they get access to my LeadsLeap as a standard, tool that they need in order to duplicate my funnels, and that's how I've been promoting LeadsLeap, and that's allowed me to not only earn with all the online income streams that I'm making money with, obviously my primary business being Live Good and my various tools, but it's all LeadsLeap is the backbone. LeadsLeap is where my team get access to all my tools and everything that obviously I need, my share codes, the funnels that are required to set up the marketing systems, So it's all basically LeadsLeap is the platform that allows me and my team to set up the funnels, but they're all done for you because I've got share codes, and it's all part of LeadsLeap. So like I say, I'm going to share with you guys how LeadsLeap has allowed me to earn $1,000 or more per month consistently, and this is a residual income, guys. This is just ongoing, pretty much hands-free. I mean, I say hands-free, obviously there's work to be done. I'm the one who's setting up the pages and supporting the team, but it is pretty basically hands-free because most of my focus, most of my effort is concentrated on building my primary business. So let me just share with you. Okay, so first of all, my main page, as you can see, I've earned over $14,816 with LeadsLeap. Okay, and I've been in about this account was launched about three or 4 years ago. Okay. But I had an account before that, but I wasn't doing anything with it. Okay. And it was about 3 or 4 years ago when I came back onto LeadsLeap and started to use it, having tried so many other platforms, that just didn't make sense to me. They were either overpriced or they just didn't have the methods that LeadsLeap have to support my team, because I just love the share code system. Now other systems have a share code system, but I've come across very clunky systems or very overpriced systems. It just didn't duplicate well. That for whether you're working with newbies or whether you're working experienced marketers, I felt LeadsLeap has everything in here and it's an easy tool to use. So anyway, let me just share. So as you can see, I'm just going to do a withdrawal right now, which is $1,000, just over $1,000. Okay, to my bank. It's going to go straight to my bank. And in pending commissions, I got just over $2,000. What does that mean? It means that every time you refer someone, or every time that somebody or your existing pro member purchases a monthly, subscription, that will be pending for 60 days. Okay, in other words, 2 months. Okay, so that's why I'm telling you I'm earning an easy, comfortable $1,000 a month. Okay, without fail, and I've personally withdrew to my bank account over $12,000. Okay, as I say, I've earned over $14,000, but obviously I've used some of that obviously for paying for the system, so I've never really paid for the system out of pocket. When I first got onto LeadsLeap, I thought, right, this is the platform I wanted. This is the platform I've been looking for. So I immediately got to work and started referring some people, and that really just covers the costs. These are sort of business costs and tools that you can easily cover by promoting it. So as you can see here, these are pending commissions for 60 days, but this is what I get to earn, because I've got about 80 plus whatever it is pro members in my downline. Over 80, I think it's about 88, 89, maybe 90 pro members in my downline. Okay, and I'm able to, I get commissions almost every day from somebody who's paying their either coming on board, or they're paying for their existing subscription. Okay, and I get a commission. But as a pro member, you get higher commissions. Okay, so if you're a free member, I can't remember what it is, but you get lower percentage of commissions. Okay, so it's worth upgrading to the pro membership in order to get the benefit, the full benefit, the commissions. So as you can see, I've personally sponsored 665 people. Some are active, some are inactive, some are very active, some joined and never did anything with it. That's just typical in this industry. And I've got an entire team of 5,227 people. Okay, and so we're just at the start of the week. Okay, I mean, it's literally Monday for me, but it's Sunday for most people. It's literally just switched into the new week. But every week I bring in new people, and a lot of people start out as free, and maybe a lot of people remain free. That's fine. But as you can see, I've got level 1. I've got 665 people. Level 2, I've got 1,791. And level 3, level 4, level 5, level 6, level 7, level 8, level 9, level 10. I've got people right the way down all the levels, okay, down to level 10. I've got 11 people on level 10. Okay, and then if I think what this means is if you're a pro member, you'll get spill off, okay, and it'll automatically grow, okay. And what that can mean is, I mean, it can basically mean, you can earn, points, and it can convert into credits, for traffic and stuff like that. But if they land on your front line, and they become a pro member, obviously you're going to earn from that. So anyway, I'm not going to show you the sensitive information there, but I'm going to do a quick withdrawal. So it's very simple. In your where is it? In your profile area, you set up your how you want to get paid. Okay, I think there's a couple of ways. Bitcoin was an option. I'm not sure if they are still allowing Bitcoin. They might be. In fact, I think they may be allowing Bitcoin, because there used to be a message here saying that they're not accepting it, but that message seems to be gone away now. So maybe they're accepting Bitcoin now. But I think they also accept PayPal or TransferWise, which is now it's called Wise. So I use Wise. It goes straight into my bank account. Anyway, I click withdraw. Yeah, it's already set by default. I'm going to use my Wise and click submit. Okay, and there it is. It says within 7 days, but usually much earlier. That's true. It usually happens within a day, or maybe even less. I've known it happen within hours. It just depends on when the owner can get in and do it for you. Just depends, but usually very, very, very soon. So now that's pending, and I'm going to receive that in a matter of days, probably earlier. So it's as simple as that. It goes straight into my bank account. I get alerted from my bank that I've had a withdrawal, a deposit. And it's a good little income for a lot of people. This is a tool. I've got a number of different tools. I have traffic sources that I promote and recommend. It's a good idea to put all your tools and your resources into your funnels, so that as they come through and you're focused on promoting your primary business, or you're giving out value, everything gets promoted. All your recommended traffic sources, all your recommended tools, your marketing systems, everything gets promoted using your one link. That's why I love LeadsLeap, because you can set up your own funnels and have everything in there, and just focus on promoting your businesses. You can even market your businesses right on LeadsLeap itself. So you've got a platform here that not only allows you to set up capture pages and track it and do all the tracking and traffic rotation and everything else, you can also advertise on this platform as well. So it's a full, complete marketing system in a box. So anyway, highly recommend get on board with LeadsLeap, start using it. And if you're already on board, really, really honestly consider upgrading to Pro Member so that you can maximize your earnings. And I know people in this platform who are earning more than me, a lot more than me. I know people who are earning over $5,000 a month with this platform. So, you know, if you're promoting a business opportunity or whatever you're promoting, and you add this income stream to your income portfolio, you're going to be very profitable. And the great thing about this is it's a great residual income that's always there going on in the background, because you know, if your downline members, if your referrals are happy with the tool and they're not going away, and you know, then they like what they've got, you know, they built up a list and they've built up lead capture pages, they're not going to be quitting you. You know, I've had people for years who have been just paying every single month. In fact, I've got people on my front line who are Pro members, but they've never paid out of pocket because they also have a big team. All right. So that's the wonderful thing, is that if your downline if your referrals have got a big team as well, trust me, they're not going to quit. Even people who don't have a big team, you know, they need this tool because there are essential items, there are essential tools within this platform that they wouldn't, you know, it would be crazy for them to quit because they've got a big list and they built up a list. It just wouldn't make sense for them to quit. Anyway, highly recommended, and get on board, and look forward to working with you. Thanks for watching. See you on the inside. Bye for now.